So these, oh, that's a beautiful yellow. This one's pretty too. Oh, look at the peonies. Hello, Blissfuls. Guess what time it is? Yes, it's peony season. Let's see if our beautiful blooms are showing off today. She's getting ready to open, and I hope I don't miss it. Look at that. She's huge. Oh my gosh, look at this beauty. It's like nature's own fireworks display. If you're a plant lover like me, you can totally grow one of these beauties too. Just a little love, sunlight, and patience, and you'll have your own slice of floral paradise. I can't resist, y'all. I gotta bring her inside to admire her up close. Look at this. Oh, there's nothing like bringing a piece of the garden indoors. Stay tuned for more gardening adventures, and don't forget to nature your own slice of green heaven. See you soon. Garden magic, peony love, green thumbs, blissful spaces. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. Blessings.